For example 4, again, we have a triangle inside of a rectangle, and what we need to do is find the area of the rectangle first, and then subtract out the area of the triangle so that we can just get the shaded area. So for my rectangle, my area will be my base times my height. My base in this case is that 10 because it goes all the way across the rectangle, whereas the 7 doesn't go all the way across. So my base is 10 and my height is 6. So my rectangle is equal to 60 inches squared. For my triangle, my formula is 1/2 my base times my height. The base of this triangle is 7, so 1/2 7 times, if this is the height for the rectangle, because the triangle goes all the way up, that will also be the height of the triangle. So this height is also 6. So 7 times 6. So 1/2 7 times 6 is equal to 21. So that is the area of my rectangle is 60, the area of my triangle is 21. So I'm going to do 60 minus that 21 to get the area of just the shaded region, which will be 39. And they're using inches, so it is inches squared.